Welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to easily transfer your files from iCloud to Google Drive in 2025. Before we start, make sure you have your iCloud and Google Drive accounts set up, as well as enough storage space for your files. Let's access iCloud. You can do this via the web or the app on your device. Select the files you want to transfer and download them to your device. Now, let's move on to Google Drive. You can access it via the website or app. Upload the downloaded files to your Google Drive by dragging and dropping them into your drive. Take advantage of Google Drive's features to organize and share your files efficiently. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection or ensure you have sufficient storage space on both ends. To recap, we've covered transferring files seamlessly. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Using both iCloud and Google Drive together enhances your file management and accessibility. Thanks for watching.